Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. So today I'm going to talk to you about what I think is or should be a really critical item in any urban survival kit, get home bag, or even everyday carry bag for people who work in urban or industrialized kind of environments. These are some chemical decontamination products from a company called Fast Act, or it's made with Fast Act technology, and their website is fast-act.com, and the name of the company is Tamillion, and basically they have a variety of personal use products that are good for neutralizing chemical environments or chemical spills, chemical vapors, acidic type spills, just a long list of stuff. And at the end of this video, I'll kind of go through all the stuff that this covers, and it's really a wide variety of stuff to include things like chemical warfare agents like VX gas, mustard gas, and that kind of stuff. But I don't know that there's a high likelihood that we could see any of that kind of stuff, although terrorists have for years wanted to use those kinds of attacks against us. It's just difficult for them to get a hold of it, but they are continuing to try, so you never know. But the thing is if you work in a city environment, if you've got trains coming by, you could have a train wreck with chlorine gas release. These products will help you, if you were to be in that kind of environment, can help you to quickly escape from, a cloud of toxic gas or something along those lines. Maybe you work in an industrialized area where you have chemical manufacturing plants and stuff like that. They could have a spill or an accident or something that could contaminate nearby workplaces and stuff. So I think this is a pretty cool environment, or a pretty cool thing to have for people that work in those environments. The first thing that we've got here is, let me just pull this open and show you. It is a mask that is made specifically for dealing with chemical environments. It has the exhaust valve here. It's got the aluminized nose piece so that you can get a good fit. And then it also has an additional seal right in here around the face so you can ensure that you're getting a good seal. And these are actual elastic bands, not just cheapo rubber bands. So the idea with this is that you would, adjust it a little bit here so that we take it and we put it over. The one goes underneath your ears and the other one goes on the top of it. Then you go ahead and you form the aluminum piece to fit your nose, and then you tighten these up and you get it so you get a good seal, and then you're good to go. And so you would be able to basically put that on real quick if you smelled some bad gases, and then move right out of the area until you're at a safe location. So these aren't made to be a permanent solution to operate, in a chemical environment, but they are made to be able to allow you to escape and get to safety. Okay, so that's pretty cool. These are a great item, I think, to keep in an urban survival kind of bag. Okay, so let's look at the next one here. This is a microfiber towel pack. And as you can see, it's all sealed up in a bag. And there's two towels that come in here, if I understand it correctly. And one of the towels is for wiping up or absorbing the chemical, that has spilled. That's the green towel. And then you have, so you use that to wipe up any excess or anything. Let's say maybe you spilled, spilled some acid on a table or on your arm or something like that, and you'd use that to pick up the excess. And then you would take the black towel, which has some chemical powder inside of it, and that stuff is you're going to be able to use that to absorb whatever it is that you spilled. And again, like I said, this stuff is all used, it's used for a very wide variety of products. It can be caustic and acidic, organic compounds. I mean, like I said, the list is very long, and I'll go over that, in the end. But anyway, this is a combination that you could use, on your skin, if you got it under your skin, if you're wiping something off of you, if it was on your equipment or on your gun, or, I don't know, whatever the case may be, whatever kind of, weird circumstance that happened, you'd be able to use these two to neutralize those products to make them safer, so that it's not burning you as much, it's not affecting you, or so that you could get your equipment back to the point where you'd be able to use it. So that is pretty cool, I think. Okay. The next item on the list is, these are a powder bottle packs. It contains two 50-gram bottles, and essentially you can take these and you can pour the powder in these bottles out onto the liquid to help get it to neutralize it. Okay, so you would basically just take these and you shake them up for a few seconds, and then it's got a pop top on it, and you open it up and you pour the powder out onto whatever the contamination or whatever is, and that's going to help to, it's going to combine with whatever liquid and all that kind of stuff is, and it will help to neutralize it as well. Now they also have products that are like vapor products, so they're almost like fire extinguishers, and you can, if there was like a vapor coming in your room or an office or whatever the case may be that was very caustic and that kind of thing, then you can squirt this spray, like I said, almost like a fire extinguisher, and it will it neutralizes the air, the vapor and stuff like that, and making it safer as well. So really a cool line of products that I hadn't been familiar with, and I just wanted to share these with you guys because I think that they could be very useful in the event of chemical releases, either accidental by terrorism or by invasion, or foreign invasion, or war, or whatever the case may be. And I'll put a link to their description, or to their website, down in the description below. Again, it's fast-axe.com, and you can see the full line of their products and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so with that, let me go ahead and read to you some of the items that these products will work with. All right, so I'm just going off of some of the technical information that they sent me, and that way I don't misrepresent what its capabilities are. So I'm just going to read a couple of quick paragraphs here. It says that Fast Act is proprietary formulation of non-toxic, high-performance specialty materials that are effective at neutralizing a wide range of toxic chemicals, with the added capability to destroy chemical warfare agents. The Fast Act formulation is non-flammable, non-corrosive, and significantly reduces both liquid and vapor hazards, since the dry powder neutralizes threats upon contact. On-site management and cleanup times are reduced. Fast Act works quickly to significantly reduce hazards associated with common industrial chemicals, including acids, acidic and caustic gases, organic compounds, phosphorus and sulfur compounds, and many industrial solvents. By the nature of Fast Act's innovative chemistry, hazards are chemically bound to the surface of the powder, minimizing off-gassing. This has been tested by the U.S. Soldier Biological Chemical Command and the Battle Memorial Institute, Battelle. Fast Act is proven to remove over 99.6% of VX, GD or soman, and HD or mustard gas from surfaces in under 90 seconds, converting them to safer byproducts. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And I covered the stuff about the fire extinguishers and stuff like that. There's a picture of those, and I'll throw a picture in there as well where you guys can see that better. So, like I said, pretty cool line of products that are going to give you the capability to be more prepared and to be able to breathe in a caustic environment. You know, I mean, it does, industrialized gas leaks and accidents and stuff like that do occasionally happen. Train wrecks happen, you know, and this kind of stuff does happen. And as preppers, that's what we do, is we prepare for those things that, you know, can happen and would put us in a little better situation than we would be otherwise. So I think these would be pretty good items to carry with you. I mean, at a very minimum, the masks, you know, could be hugely helpful in just getting out of an immediate area where there's a cloud of gas. And then the towels, especially, in, you know, being able to kind of rub down your skin or get anything off of your skin or your body or whatever the case may be if you had to. Again, super useful. They also have a mitt that you can use as well, and you can kind of wipe down equipment and stuff like that as a first line defense too. So go check out their website and see what you guys think. You know, they'll have all the products or the prices and all that kind of stuff there where you guys can take a look at that. But I just thought it was a pretty unique and innovative product that you guys might be interested in, because I mean, I think it's something that's useful to have in there. So anyway, guys, as always, I definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance, especially in a chemical environment. Thanks, guys. Take care, and we'll see you again soon on another video, probably in another day or two. Bye.